One. Alright. I promise you I do this shit, man. Y'all know this is completely out of my swagger, but I'm one of them niggas who really don't have any problem with swagger, so I guess I gotta live up to my expectations. Yeah, nigga, you fucking with the best one. Blind nigga, but I happen to... Fuck that beat. Nah, fuck that. No. My nigga, I'ma go. When it comes to the tracks, I'm just Flojo though. And I'm one of the rappers that could come off of the mic. And if I fall off, then I'ma bungee jump tonight. I ain't worried about what happens to these motherfuckers, but if a nigga wanna fuck with me, then I'ma bust him. I be telling niggas when I'm rhyming that I'm the best, and I come on correct in the Mexican Spanish test. Yeah, that's an old line. If you know my old rhyme stizzy, 1, 2, 6, I ain't nothing like Drizzy. Probably get it busy at the club to suck dizzy. After that, she looking dizzy and she miss me. I'm out. Now niggas wanna see what I'm about. Clout. The reason that I rap, cause I'm coming out. No closet, but a nigga flow like a faucet. Probably dig it down a really thick boss bitch. Hey, got balls so I tossed it. No reason for your mind to be lost, bitch. And I'm on, I will never be off switch. I'm a gangster, the reason that I lost this. Y'all niggas got the wrong interpretation, but you niggas think you on a throne. I know I got the chrome and a crown of my own. My nigga, I'm gone. Hey, it's way better, nigga. No. Look, these niggas. Nigga, this shit. Fuck like now, don't turn it out.